Hey lovelies, I am back with another video today, and it is all about mom hacks. I've partnered up with Pantene for this video because their products have helped my hair look and feel good during these hectic days of family life. And I'm a mama too, so it gets real busy. Let's face it, us moms do it all. We try to keep everything in order to the best of our abilities, and life can get real fast. So I've compiled a list of hacks that work for me and help my life run a little bit more smoothly. And that includes scheduling some much needed TLC, because we need to take care of ourselves too. It's not a secret, but it's true. Hack number 1, look for shortcuts everywhere. My hair is kind of my thing, so while I like investing time into coloring it, I don't have a ton of time to pay too much attention to it on the daily. Luckily, there are so many products out there that can help. We all love a good hair mask, but when you don't have the time, anything that works while you sleep helps you be more productive without even trying. I've been loving the Pantene Nutrient Blends Castor Oil Overnight Restoring Serum because it helps repair hair damage while I sleep. And the best part is you do not have to even rinse it out in the morning. So I wake up with really soft hair, and it's really nice. Who's that? Who is there? Don't even have enough time to film this video, apparently. Okay, where were we? Another shortcut is to try and maintain and extend your hairstyle for as long as possible. So if I curl and style my hair one day, I want that curl hairstyle to last days after, so I don't need to do it again. What I do is I curl my hair, and then the next day after I slept on it, I take Pantene's Curl Reshaping Cream, and this helps me reshape my curls the next day. I sometimes will add a little bit of water, so make it a little bit more damp, or you can just put it on dry hair. And this helps me reshape the curls, but also it has anti-frizz hydration that blocks out humidity, and it keeps your curls looking really smooth all day. Another thing is, we all use dry shampoo, but I've been using it a little bit differently recently. So you skip the wash, 2 or 3 days, and your hair is kind of looking a little flat, a little greasy. So what I've been doing is taking my Pantene Never Tell dry shampoo and applying that to my roots before I go to bed. So you get voluminous hair without any effort. You just wake up. One of the reasons why I love Never Tell dry shampoo is because it is made with tapioca and it has no white residue. So you just put it on and you don't need to brush it out. It goes on clear. No waste of time here. Hack number 2, come up with a go-to list for things you have to do often to save time and energy. For example, I have a go-to makeup routine that takes me under 5 minutes, and I do this every morning because I just feel so much more confident and ready to tackle on the day, and it's something that doesn't take much time out of my day. So my quick 5-minute routine goes a little something like this. I take some concealer, and I'll put that under my eyes or any other spots that I want to conceal. Take my eyebrow pencil, and I color in those brows and fill them in a bit. Add some blush to my cheeks, and I also add some color to my lips. Also, with my daughter Autumn, she always has her hands in her face, and her hair is getting longer, and it's going into food, and it's just a big mess. You know how it is, really sticky. So what I've been doing every day is just, I have this go-to hairstyle that I put her hair in. At first, she really didn't want me touching her hair, didn't want me brushing it, like none of that. But now I've been doing it constantly every day. She's just used to it. It's just one thing we do in the morning. It's cleaner, more sanitary, and cute. Hack number 3, actually schedule time for self-care into your calendar. Friday nights are, for me, maybe not the whole night, but I get 1 hour. And this is when I take a hot bath or a hot shower. I put some masks on, a face mask and a hair mask. Have a little facial massage going on, do the whole works. As soon as I get my hair wet, I apply Pantene's Rose Water Mask. There's something about the floral scent that is like ultra relaxing. It leaves your hair feeling really soft, and I leave it on for like the whole time I'm in the shower or in the bath. It says like 5 to 7 minutes, but I'm in there sometimes 20 minutes or longer. After the shower, I take some ice cubes and I give myself an ice cube facial. This refreshes the skin, promotes blood circulation, soothes acne, and just feels great. After you've taken that hot bath or shower, everything, all your pores are open. And so what I like to do is I like to apply my serums, I like to do all that kind of stuff. But then I like to go in with an ice cube and I kind of put it all over my face, and this seals those pores in so it can suck in and absorb everything you just put on. Hack number 4, schedule a weekly tradition for you and your little ones that you guys can look forward to. For example, Me and my daughter Autumn have Manicure Monday, and this is when we do our nails on Mondays. And having something to look forward to just makes you feel better, especially when you're so busy. You just kind of forget to do the little things. And that's something that you'll remember and your kids will remember. It's really important to schedule those little times together. We take turns doing each other's nails. She does mine. I mean, I don't keep them on that long because they're a little messy. And actually, she does my husband's too. He lets her do his nails. You know, for kids, it's like all about their senses. So when we paint our nails, we have a little bowl of water. Dip our nails into cold water because it quickens the drying process. And it's fun just to put your hands in water, especially for a kid, I guess. She loves it. Just remember that they aren't dried completely, and so you still want to be careful and not smudge your nails. Hack number 5, get your kids involved in routine activities. For example, our kids have chores and we pay them for it. Since the kids have been home for quite a bit now, routine helps with your sanity. The chores can be simple, like my son makes his bed every morning, cleans his room, but then also when it's time to have dinner, he'll be the one to clean the dishes and put them away. And my daughter, she's a tough little cookie. She has trouble, but we're working with her. She tries a little bit. Sometimes my son Noah will just clean her room and then get her portion of it. And Autumn doesn't care because her room will be clean, and then Noah will get a little bit more money. So it's kind of like a win-win. So not only does this keep them busy while I'm at work, it also teaches them the value of money. So those are my 5 mom hacks that I've compiled that help my life run a little bit more smoothly. One lesson that I've learned and I find is pretty important is to not sweat the small stuff. Sometimes we try to live up to these high expectations that we put on ourselves as mothers, trying to do it all. Take a step back, take a deep breath. Every day is different, and as long as our kids know that we love them and we try our best, that's all that matters. So don't sweat the small stuff. You'll feel lighter and you'll look brighter. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like these hacks. Let me know what you think. Do you have any other hacks that you want to add to the list? All you moms out there, let me know in the comments below. See you later.